Recently, I've been doing and loving glueless wig installs, and this video is one of them.
Hey guys, so welcome to another video by Mira. If you're new here, my name is Marina Robinson and I'm here to show you how I installed this and got this looking like scalp, honey. You realize that there's no baby hairs. Look at the installation, like look, honestly, where's the lace? Hello. So yeah, continue watching the video to see that.
Grab your pen, grab your paper, class is now in session. These are all the products that we'll be using for this glueless install. VIP Beauty here. You guys saw the unboxing that we did, so you can go check it out. You saw the construction of the wig. I usually take off all the combs and leave just the back one because I find the rest of them are uncomfortable, like especially if you're gonna have this wig on for a few days. And then putting on the wig, just adjusting it to my head, marking where my ear tabs should be, and making sure that I'm cutting those out. If you guys want detailed tutorial on ear tabs, how to cut them out, you guys drop your comments below, let me know. Okay, so of course what we do to one side, we're doing it to the other side, and we're making sure that the wig lays flat on our head and there's no discomfort when we lay it down behind our ears and stuff, because if you guys know, if you guys wear wigs and stuff, you know that that can be really uncomfortable. Right, so once that's sorted, then of course we're just making sure that, yeah, it's all laying flat. If we're happy with that, then we push this back. I didn't do the ball cap method. For me, it doesn't really, yeah, you can do it if you want. For me, it doesn't really matter. I'm just using now the Ebin adhesive spray and I'm spraying that down. And as you can see, I spray some on the wig cap itself along with some on my foreheads once I've pushed my hairs back. You guys will realize I push all my hair back and stuff. And I'm also spraying the melting spray as well and using my little fan there to dry it down just a bit. When it becomes tacky, like you see, I tested it just now, it became tacky. Once that happens, then it's time to pull the wig onto it. All right, now with this method you will have to go over most likely the ear tabs, like by the sides there. You'll most likely have to go back over it just because this is a glueless method and this is just a setting spray. So you see like what I'm doing here, don't worry if you have to do that. Just spray some more, let it dry down a bit, and you just put back the wig where it is right there. You comb all the hairs back. That's the key. If we're going to do a no baby hair install, pull the brush back all the hairs, making sure that nothing is caught up in the wig. You want to use your edge band to lay your wigs down for a few minutes, right? A good 20 minutes if you can, because we're gonna redo it. We're just making sure that that is set first. When I say redo, we're gonna put our head back on at a later date, but right now we just want to take off this excess lace, and we also want to see how it's actually setting. So you can see that it really is setting well. However, when you take the lace off, so and I'm using this this is this eyebrow shaper, so I'm using this. When you use it, you will realize that the edge of the wig becomes white. Don't worry about that. That is just the adhesive spray. When you lift it, you'll see that there's some on the lace as well. Don't worry about that. That's the adhesive spray, and that will, the white casting that is leaving, it will come off. So don't worry too tough. All you do, use your melting spray. When we just melting back that little section that was lifted when we were lifting the lace, to cut it. That's all we're doing. You see how it melts back flawlessly and seamlessly into your skin, right? So now we put back the baby hair, I mean the edge band on it, and we're allowing that to stay for some time. I know the video is sped up, so you don't see how long I've allowed this to stay, but yeah, it's sped up. And we put it back for some time. Now when we lift that edge band, sometimes you can get the residue of the adhesive spray sticking to the scalp, so sticking to the band. So whenever you lift it, it will happen that sometimes you can see that white thing. All I'm using here right now is this tinted mousse to kind of get back some of that white casting off. Then I'm going in with the parting. With the parting, I was gonna do a middle parting, But then I'm telling you, child, this side parting has me in a chokehold. So even though I try the middle parting, I'm like, nah, I'm not feeling the middle, you know. Let me just do the side one time. So I switched to doing the side. I was just seeing which side did I prefer. Did I prefer this one or that one? Stuck with this one. I'm like, yeah, this is giving me a vibe, you know. So yeah, once you do that, then you're gonna flat iron it, because what you don't want is for it to be high. You want it to be flat. You want it to look like scalp, right? You already melted it nicely, and we're gonna finish the white section here. Don't worry, we'll fix all of that as well. Like, because I'm pretty sure you can still see that it's not scalp. You get what I mean? Like that white, ashy lace you can see in the parting. Yeah, we can fix that by adding your foundation or your powder of your tone to it. Now, once you have flat ironed it and you're happy with the result and happy that the thing is in place, I was then curling the hair. And of course, when you curl it, I spray some of the adhesive spray just to make the curl stick for a bit. And I just did all that. So this is the next morning now I came back. I slept with this on for the night, so this was a good few hours on, and you can see the final results. After I had curled up all my hair from the night before, put the band on, and look at that installation. Look at that sleigh. Like, honestly, look at that. It is beautiful. And just like that, we have our No Baby Hair flawless install. Hope you liked. Follow for more.